It actually has a bit of a curve to it, so it's a rounded chamfer. Some people call them a Ramfer.
Ramfer?
Ramfer. Rounded chamfers. Yeah, these here. So I have this going all the way around. And also what this chamfer does, it leads your eye around the product. It's not super interesting, so I wanted to break these edges. I didn't want to just throw on a fillet, and I didn't want to just throw on a chamfer because those are kind of obvious looking. I want to trim away the edges, and then I'm going to fill it later. And now this is where my chamfer is going to go, in my hand. So I'm thinking about, I'm taking this cut profile and I'm shaving it, or I'm cutting it off this way, right? So I want to get this even profile all the way around.
A surface sweep.
So I have that profile, and I'm going to sweep it along this path.